Welcome to Travels with Sheila. Here, we're at home. This was Sunday, November 23rd, an incredibly beautiful day in Vancouver. You can see the sun was shining. Yes, we have a house near the mountains, yet the sun was shining, the winds were strong, and I have loads more videos of the beautiful weather. I'm going to show you in a second one of the eagles I captured in more than a couple of videos. There's the Vancouver skyline. And as I headed down the beach, here's what I saw. You'll see the eagle moves out of sight soon and comes back in, hovering really close to the water. This is at Jericho Beach in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And I'll stop talking in a sec, as you'll see our eagle friend will come into view again shortly and comes right down by the water where he or she held stationary for a bit.